Children, already we have finished in the previous classes the solar system, the universe, the galaxies, the Milky Way and the solar system. In the solar system we have the sun, the star and the planets, other 8 planets and the other satellites. Understand, already we finished 3 planets. What are the 3? What are the 8 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So, how many planets? 8 planets. Understand? So, among 8 planets, in the previous classes we finished 3 planets, that is Mercury, Venus and Earth. Today, we are going to see about Mars, the planet Mars. This is the 4th planet. Mars, it is called as the red planet. Mars is otherwise called as the red planet. Understand? Mars is the 4th planet among the solar system. Among all the planets, Mars is the 4th planet and it is the second smallest planet next to Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet among the solar system, among the planets, and the second smallest planet is Mars. This is called as red planet. And this Mars, it is named after the Roman god of war. This Mars planet is named after the Roman god of war. Understand? Okay. And it appeared red color. This is, I told you already, this Mars planet is called as red planet. Why you know? Because it contains the iron oxide and the presence of iron oxide. Iron oxide is present in this planet Mars. So, it is described as the red planet. So, it is called as the red planet. Understand? It has a thin atmosphere and it is also having the solar ice caps. Okay. Next planet we are going to see about, and another thing is this Mars have 2 satellites. It is having 2 satellites. They are called as namely Phobos and Deimos. 2 satellites are there in Mars planet. They are called as Phobos. Say all of you. Phobos, Deimos. Okay. Then next is Jupiter, 5th planet. Next planet is Jupiter. This Jupiter planet is called as the largest planet among the solar system. This Jupiter planet is the largest. Largest means what, children? Biggest planet. Understand that? Largest planet in the solar system. Understand? It is named after the King of Roman god. King of Roman. Understand? It is having the brightest, it is the 3rd brightest object. Brightest object. 3rd brightest object next to first Moon and Venus. The brightest object in the solar system is Moon. First is Moon and second one is Venus. Venus in the planets, in which planet it is? Second planet. Mercury, Venus. Understand? Second planet. So, the brightest among the solar system, the brightest object among the solar system, first is what? What I told you, Moon. Okay. And the second object is Venus. And this Jupiter is the 3rd brightest object in the solar system. Have you understand, children? And it is the fast spinning. Spinning means what, children? Spinning means round. Understand? Spin and round. The circulation. It is moving round. It is called as spinning. So, this Jupiter is the fast spinning planet in the solar system. Fast spinning planet, and it is the gas giant planet. Most of the giant gases are in this planet only. So it is called as the gas giant planet. Gas giant planet. And in this Jupiter, we are having the gases called hydrogen. Why it is called as the gas giant planet? Because it is having hydrogen and helium. The gases hydrogen and helium, like sun. Sunla namma padichom. Understand? Already we studied in sun the star. Understand? We have the hydrogen and the helium. That is why it is very hottest. We saw much gas in the sun. Understand? Like that. This in Jupiter also we can see hydrogen and helium, the gases. That is why it is called as the gas giant planet. Understand? Okay. And next other thing, it is having the many satellite we can see in this solar system. That is in this Jupiter. Many satellites are there, like Io, Europa, etc. In the book you can see. In the book page number 165. In the book page number. Children, I told you, often I am telling you to buy the books, then only it will be easy for you to learn. Here they can you can have the pictures also. Understand? While you are coming to school, no, at that time in regular classes, I'll draw it on the board, and also we'll have the pictures. Okay, I'll show the pictures of the planets. Okay, I'll show you the globe also. Understand, children? Okay, so in this you can see the picture. So many satellites are there, like Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto are the few, the important satellites, the biggest satellites in the planet Jupiter. And the next planet is, sixth planet is Saturn. It is called as the ringed planet. Ringed planet. Here, why? If the planet is like this, means you can see the rings. இந்த மாதிரி ring இருக்கும் இந்த planetல. So that this planet is called as the ringed planet. Can you able to follow? Can you see the ring? Understand? So it is called the ringed planet. Here in the picture also you can see. Can you see page number 165? Rings are there. So it is called as the ring planet. Understand? And it is the second largest planet in the solar system. Which one is the first largest planet in the solar system? Tell me, children. Yes, very good. It is Jupiter. Okay. And the second largest planet in the solar system is Saturn. Second largest planet. Understand? And it is named after the Roman god agriculture. Roman god of agriculture. Roman god of agriculture. Can you able to follow? Okay. Then it is having the huge ring around this planet. This Jupiter, that is the Saturn planet, sorry. Saturn planet is having the ring. Understand? It's round and it is made up of ice, rocks and dust particles. In Saturn we can see ice, rock and dust particles. Dust particles. And it is having many 62 natural satellites are there. How many satellites are there? 62 satellites are there in this Saturn. Understand? And it is the main satellite around is the Titan. சொல்றோம்ல. Titan. This is very important. Titan. Titan is the largest moon and the only satellite in the solar system that is having the clouds. In this Titan, we are having the clouds. In the satellite, we are having clouds. and it is having the dense atmosphere. Dense means adartya, dense atmosphere, and it is having dense atmosphere, and it is having the gases composed of nitrogen and methane. Nitrogen and methane we can see in this Saturn planet. Understand? So, this Saturn planet, it is called as the ringed planet. Understand? Ringed planet, and it is the second largest planet, and it is named after the Roman god of agriculture. Okay, and it is having the ice caps, rocks, and dust particles. And we can see in the 62 satellites are there. Understand? In the Saturn planet, and the very largest satellite, the very important satellite, which is called Titan. Understand? In Titan, in this satellite, we can see the clouds also. Understand? And it is having the dense atmosphere. Understand? What is atmosphere? Air. Contain air. That is called as atmosphere. Understand? Okay. So, dense atmosphere, and we can see the gases, nitrogen and methane in this Saturn planet. And the next planet is Uranus. Shall I rub the board? Have you copied down, all of you? Have you copied down? Shall I rub the board then? Okay. The next planet is Uranus. Now we saw the planets. Already we finished. Venus, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Now, the 7th planet is Uranus. Now, we will see the planet Uranus. Understand? This Uranus planet, it is called as the somersaulting planet. Say all of you. Somersaulting planet. Okay. It was the first to be discovered with the telescope. It is the first planet which discovered by telescope. First planet discovered by this telescope. Understand? And it was discovered by the astronomer William. யார் இதை கண்டுபிடிச்சது? Who discovered this Uranus planet? Astronomer William Herschel. Say all of you. William Herschel. He only discovered this planet in the year 1781. And it is appeared green color. What color it is appeared? It is green color planet. Green color. Because why? The presence of methane. Because of the methane gas, it looks like green color. Understand? Can you able to follow, children? Okay. Next is, it is named after the Greek god, not Roman god, Greek god of the sky. Greek god of the sky. It named after, not Roman god. Other planets, it named after the Roman god. Understand? But this Uranus, it named after the Greek god of sky. Okay. And next other thing, it is rotate like Venus. That is east to west. Other planets are rotate from west to east, anti-clockwise. Already we learnt. முதல்ல படிச்சிட்டோம் நம்ம. All the planets, it revolved from west to east. But this Venus and Uranus, only these two planets, they rotate from east to west, clockwise direction. Understand? And it is having 27 satellites are there. How many satellites are there? 27 satellites. 27 satellites are there, and it is which one is very largest one? That is the Titania. Titania satellite is the largest satellite. Among all the 27 satellites, this Titania is the largest satellite in the Uranus planet. Have you understand, children? Okay. The next planet, the 8th planet is the Neptune. Neptune is the next planet. It is called as the coldest planet. Neptune is called as coldest planet. Understand? How many planets I told you? Totally 8 planets. What are they? Mercury, Venus. Why I am repeating again and again? தூக்கத்தில் எழுப்பி கேட்டால் கூட you have to say the names of the planets. Understand? So, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Understand? So, 8 planets. Already we saw 7 planets. Now, Neptune. Neptune is called as the coldest planet. Understand? And it is the farthest planet. What is meant by farthest? It is far away from the solar system. That is solar, the sun, far away. So, it is called as the farthest planet. Far na enna doorama. Okay. So, farthest planet. And it is having we can see the strong winds. Strong winds in this planet, the Neptune planet. It is named after the Roman god of sea. It is named after the Roman god of sea. Understand? And it is having, Neptune is having 14 satellites. How many satellites it is having? It is having 14 satellites. We can see, and it is the Neptune is the one of the coldest planet. It is far away from the sun. So, it is the coldest planet in the solar system. Have you all understand, children? So, again I am repeating this Uranus. It is called as the Samacheer planet. Understand? And it is only the Uranus planet only first discovered by the telescope, and it was discovered by astronomer William Herschel. Okay, in the year 1781. Understand? It looks like green in color. Because of what? Because of the gas methane. This Uranus, the planet, it contains methane gas. So, it's look like green in color. Understand? It is named after the Greek god of the sky. So, it is called as Uranus. And it is rotating east to west. Other planets are rotating anti-clockwise. That is west to east. But this planet, this Uranus and Venus, only these two planets, it rotates from east to west. Can you able to follow, children? Okay. And it is having 27 satellites are there. The largest satellite is Titania. Can you able to follow? Okay. The last planet is Neptune. It is called as the coldest planet. It is full of ice because it is far away from the sun in the solar system. It is in a farthest planet. Okay. And it is having the strong winds we can see in the Neptune, the planet Neptune, and it is named after the Roman god of sea. Okay. And it is having 14 satellites. So, these are all the planets in the solar system. Next, we will go to, and we can see this Uranus is in a blue and white features. Blue and white in color we can see somewhat. They are the features of this Neptune.